Why drink warm lemon water instead of cold? Researchers found that vapors from a hot liquid increase your nasal mucus movement through your nasal cavities faster. The flavor of the lemon water on your taste buds also activates the flow of the mucus. What's the best temperature for a warm drink? According to one study, hot or warm beverages should range between 160 degrees Fahrenheit to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Although some researchers felt this was a little too warm, recommending that you should drink liquids no warmer than 136 to 140. Let's discover together what are 12 health benefits of drinking warm lemon water. 1. Reduces cholesterol. Lemons are packed with citric acid, vitamin C, and polyphenols. Polyphenols fight fatigue and lower the fat in your blood called lipids. One well-known lipid is called cholesterol. High lipids form in your blood when you eat a fatty diet. But medical conditions such as diabetes, hypothyroidism, alcoholism, liver disease, and stress can also raise your lipid levels. Drinking warm lemon water is a simple way to reduce your cholesterol naturally without side effects. It's both a healthy and delicious method to start the day while getting healthier. 2. Slows down the aging process. Studies found that drinking lemon juice slows down your body's aging process. One of the primary polyphenols in lemons is erycitrin, a yellowish water-soluble antioxidant found in lemon juice and lemon peels. These polyphenols can add years to your life. So, a cup of warm lemon water every day is a little like drinking from the fountain of youth. 3. Improves your intestinal flora. The same study also found that lemon juice changes your intestinal environment, allowing for your good gut bacteria to flourish. Drinking warm lemon water aids digestion and improves your overall gut health. A healthy gut means you'll have less bloating and gas. When your digestive tract is working the way it should, you'll feel better and have more energy. 4. Helps muscles and reduce inflammation. Drinking warm lemon water slows down the decline of your muscle tissue and helps improve your movement. Studies also found that if you have a lifetime habit of including lemon juice in your diet, you reduce the inflammation in your body. Inflammation can damage your arteries, joints, and organs. It's also thought to cause chronic diseases like blood vessel damage, heart disease, Alzheimer's disease, and diabetes. 5. Reduce your chance of kidney stones. Recent studies found that drinking citrus-based juices like lemon juice interrupt the formation of kidney stones. As little as 1/2 cup of lemon juice daily in warm water increases the urine citrate in your urine to reduce kidney stone development. 6. Helps you get over a cold. Lemon juice is packed with vitamin C. Drinking warm lemon juice when you have a cold or a sinus infection boosts your body's immune system, so you feel better quicker. Warm lemon water can also relieve your congestion by thinning out the excess mucus in your nasal cavity. You'll breathe more natural and feel more clear-headed. 7. Calms nervous system. Drinking warm lemon water is a beautiful way to start your day. Its soothing citrus aroma invigorates and calms your mind and body. Studies found that smelling the aroma of the yuzu fruit, a lemony citrus fruit found in Japan, relieves stress and reduces your heart rate and your blood pressure. You feel more alert, focused, and ready for your day. 8. Relief from constipation. The acid in warm lemon water stimulates your digestion system. As you age, the levels of acids in your gut decrease. Adding warm lemon water to your daily routine gives your gut the extra boost it needs to help alleviate common digestive problems like constipation. Lemon also has fiber in the form of pectin, which also helps regulate your digestive system. 9. Keeps you hydrated. Drinking warm lemon water daily keeps you well hydrated. An average adult should drink 30 to 50 ounces of fluids a day, that's around 1.5 liters. Water, juices, and fruits also help you stay hydrated. Fluids flush out bacteria in our bladder, aid your heart and brain function. Staying hydrated will also help your muscle tissue and skin. 10. Helps you lose weight. Drinking warm lemon water daily can stimulate your metabolism. A well-working metabolism helps you keep extra weight off. Lemon juice is low fat and low in calories. Because it doesn't have caffeine, you won't have the jitters you can get with too much coffee. Drinking warm lemon water all day can also help you not eat as much food because you'll feel fuller. 11. Improves your breath. Lemon juice naturally kills odors. After you eat, drink a mug of warm lemon water to aid your digestion and rid your mouth of unwanted odors. Lemons stimulate salvia, stopping dry mouth, the culprit of bad breath. Lemon juice also kills bacteria that may be growing in your mouth or on your tongue. 12. Improves your skin. Citrus fruits like lemons and oranges are packed with vitamin C, a natural antioxidant. One study found that antioxidants promote healthy skin and can reduce wrinkles. Vitamin C also enhances the formation of collagen, which keeps your skin soft and pliable. This high-powered vitamin is also known to fight free radicals that damage your skin and body. Drinking warm lemon water increases your levels of vitamin C so your skin will be wrinkle-free and healthy. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.